In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sum a formula in Google Sheets. Whether you're keeping track of expenses, managing a budget, or simply organizing data, knowing how to effectively sum your data in Google Sheets can save you a lot of time and effort. So let's dive right into it. First things first, you'll need to head over to Google Sheets. You can easily access Google Sheets via any web browser by navigating to your Google account or directly through the Google Workspace page. If you don't already have Google Sheets installed, remember that it's free and incredibly useful for managing your data seamlessly. Once you're in Google Sheets, the next step is to either create a new spreadsheet or open an existing one. If you're starting from scratch, all you need to do is click on blank to create a new spreadsheet. If you already have data you're working with, take a moment to locate and open that existing file. Now that your spreadsheet is ready, the next task is to input your numerical data into the cells you want to sum. Make sure each number is correctly placed in its own cell within the same column or row, depending on your needs. This organization is crucial for ensuring that your sum calculation is accurate. After you've entered your data, you'll want to decide where you'd like the total sum to appear. Click on the cell where you want the result to be displayed. Choosing the right destination for your total can help keep your spreadsheet tidy and organized. Now let's write the formula that will do the heavy lifting for us. In the cell you've selected for the total, type in sum to begin the function. The equal sign initiates the formula, while sum is the specific function for adding up the numbers. Remember the parentheses as they will contain your specified range of cells. Next, you will need to select the range of cells you wish to sum. Click and drag your mouse pointer across the cells that contain your data. For instance, if your numbers are in cells B2 through B6, make sure that range is highlighted in your formula. This selection tells Google Sheets exactly which numbers you're targeting to add up. Once you've highlighted all the relevant cells, you simply need to close the parenthesis. Ensure your formula looks something like this: sum B2 B6. The parenthesis encapsulates your data range, ensuring accurate results. Finally, press enter. With just this simple step, Google Sheets will instantly calculate the total of all the numbers you've selected, providing you with the summed value right in the cell you clicked earlier. It's as straightforward as that. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope this guide helps you efficiently sum your data in Google Sheets. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more insights into mastering Google Sheets and other tools.